Hello, all you doctors and nurses and medical professionals. Firstly, thank you so much for all your unbelievably hard work during this coronavirus period. Obviously, it's very difficult and we all appreciate what you're doing immensely. Okay, what I'm going to do in this short little video is just give you an update on COVID-19, how it's affecting test dates, and some good news about when you can begin to book your test dates, which hopefully is a sign of that we're getting this thing under control. Let's take a look. Okay, so a little update on COVID-19 and OET. First of all, if you have subscribed to the OET's newsletter, they sent out this email on the 6th of April stating that all 2020 test dates are open from tomorrow, which was the 7th of April. Let's take a closer look at that email. But before we do, if you're not yet a subscriber on our YouTube channels, do click that subscribe button because we'll keep you up to date on what OET official says about the coronavirus situation. Okay, so the email says as of tomorrow, which was the 7th of April, we'll be opening all test dates so that candidates can book any test day to the end of December. In addition, candidates whom we have deferred to the next available test date due to COVID-19 test cancellations will now be able to select the date of their deferred test booking without paying a deferral fee. See the full list of test dates and locations on the OET website. Kind regards, OET. Let's take a look at that website and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is the website that they take you to. This is the test dates and locations. And what you can do is you choose the country that you are currently in or the country that you are going to take your test in. And you'll see that, in fact, in Australia, you can book your 16th of May 2020 test. I suspect that we can't be certain that this test date will go ahead, but I suspect that they've just opened that, and hopefully if things improve worldwide and in specific countries, these test dates in fact will go ahead. So anyway, that's very good news. Cool, so there's some glimmers of hope there, which is good. Obviously it's going to be different for different countries, so do check out the official website to see when you can actually book your test. And of course, if you need to prepare for your OET test, then studying online is the perfect way to go. We're running a little campaign at the moment where you can get $15 off any package. Just use the voucher code BETTERTOGETHER15, all one word, at the payment gateway, and it will reduce the price of your package by $15. Now, also, you might want to think about taking the OET mini mock test at this time as well, just to make sure that you are ready to take your OET test. Or if you have taken the OET test before and you didn't get the results you need, but you didn't know why, then you should also take this mini mock test because it will provide you with comprehensive feedback on all of the sections and tell you whether you're ready and what you need to work on. Cool, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much again, medical professionals, for all of your tireless work. We hope that we can at least help you out with your preparation. Cool bananas, I'll see you soon.